Okay, students, let's start the third part of the chapter, The Fun They Had. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. The paragraph informs to us that sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a mechanical teacher. Here, regular teacher means a mechanical teacher. It was a man. Margie asked, a man? How could it possible that a man be a teacher? Tommy said that he gave things to boys and girls, gave them homework, and asked them questions too. A man is not smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I betcha. The paragraph informs to us compared with the mechanical teacher means a robotic teacher. She said, is it possible that a man is a smarter than a robot? He replied, sure, it is possible. He knew well. My father knows as much as a robotic teacher. He knows everything, as my teacher knows. I am sure. The betcha means here, I am sure. Margie was not prepared to Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. The paragraph informs to us that Margie was not ready to argue with her brother. The dispute means here argument. She said, I did not want a strange man as a teacher in my house. Tommy laughed loudly. He said that you don't know anything. The teacher did not live in a house, but they had a special building and all students went there for study. And all the kids learned the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. Margie asked, all the students learn the same thing in the building? Tommy replied, suppose. It would be same if they were the same ages. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. The paragraph informs to us that here the Margie's mother said that the teacher should be fit or adjusted with the level of students and all students should not learn the same thing, but they should learn and they should teach different things. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you do not have to read the book. I don't say I didn't like it, Margis said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. The paragraph informs to us that Tommy said Margie that if she did not like it, so did not read it. But Margie replied quickly, means fastly, that I did not say that I did not like the book. She wanted to know about it and she wanted to read the funny things about the book. They were not even a half finished when the Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie, look up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for a Tommy's tour. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? The paragraph informs to us that when they did not finish half book, that time Margie's mother called Margie that it's time to your school. Margie replied to her mother, not yet. Mrs. Jones said, it's a proper time for a study. You and your brother. Margie requested her brother that can I read the book more with you after school? Okay.